Hey guys, it's Alik, Nature with Alik over here with my beautiful Enigma fruit. Look at this size, look at this beautiful form and color of this fruit. As you can see, all these brocks, they're turning back, so this is probably the sign of Enigma. It's a cherry flavor fruit. This is the only one that has nice unique flavor. Still, we tasted few more varieties with the cherry flavor, so this is the amazing fruit that gives me 1, 2, 3, at least 7, 8 fruit right now hanging ready to harvest, and those fruit will go together with your purchase of Enigma rooted plant. Okay, we have a nice 4 or 5 feet tall fruit, the plant already rooted, so the fruit will go for free with your purchase of $136 of the Enigma rooted plant, and I'll ship you free fruit with your purchase. $136 Enigma cherry flavor fruit with your purchase, and that's going to be very happy time. You can see it's still pushing this is the second wave of the Enigma flowers, which is going to be bloom probably in 3 weeks, and that's the fruit should be ready for your New Year time. So holiday season, Christmas, Hanukkah, you will have a nice fruit of Enigma to your table, and that's the beauty of this fruit. This is the winter time fruit. Lots of flowers I see right now, lots of them pushing, so it's another at least probably dozen of flowers at the bottom that the Enigma is pushing, and we have this great deal for you guys. I know it's very limited, lots of people asking, so here we go. I'm showing you one more time. At least each fruit is more than a pound for sure, and it's nice, very deep red texture, firm texture with the amazing cherry flavor. So welcome to all guys to Enigma, and if you'd like to have this fruit and including with your purchase of the plant, let me know. It's Alik, Nature with Alik, 323 area code 547-1273. Again, my phone number is 323-547-1273. You'll get this fruit for free with your purchase of Enigma rooted plant, $136. We'll see you all guys. Here we go. Beautiful flowers of Enigma. Bye bye. Thank you so much, Alik, Nature with Alik.